Unlike male fertility, female fertility cannot be so easily enhanced. It's not uncommon for women to experience fertility problems more than ever nowadays, because statistics show that women give birth to children later in life than ever before. Fertility begins to fall naturally for women as they reach their mid-20s. Yet the average age for women to give birth nowadays is estimated at almost 30. Compare this to the 1950s, where the average age to give birth was 22. And it's easy to see why age and the body clock are on the agenda with doctors, fertility experts, and in the media. If you or your partner are experiencing problems with fertility, if you've been trying for a baby and have not yet been successful, there are a number of avenues open to both men and women, ranging from fertility supplements to surgery and in vitro fertilization, IVF. These can be very effective, but they can also be invasive and expensive, as well as adding emotional strain. Before you begin on this road, there are a number of things you can do to improve female fertility with the hope of conceiving naturally. Our series of videos offers advice and guidance for both men and women looking to improve their chances of starting a family. In this video, we will look at improving female fertility. Where to start? Time. Give yourself plenty of time to conceive naturally. Commit to 12 to 18 months of lifestyle changes to allow yourself the best possible chance of success. Exercise. A healthy body mass index is correlated with healthy fertility, so make sure your BMI is in the normal range. If you're not sure, just Google it. Diet. A healthy, balanced diet is key, not just to overall health and well-being, but to reproductive health too. Excessive weight loss, crash diets, or detoxing, anything that's depriving your body of nutrients, should be avoided. To improve fertility, consider incorporating foods that boost and nourish into your diet, such as fruit and vegetables. A wide variety of fruit and vegetables. Aim for as many colors as possible to get the most amount of nutrients in one meal. Fish. Omega-3 is an essential fatty acid, which your body needs for optimum fertility. Dark leafy greens. Iron is an important nutrient for female fertility. Focus on spinach, asparagus, and broccoli, as these vegetables are high in vitamin B9, aka folic acid, which is extremely important in the very first few days of embryo development. Your baby will need this vitamin to develop its first neural system even before you realize that you're pregnant. Dried fruits, nuts, and seeds. This is the perfect nutrient cocktail, providing essential building blocks for our bodies and are rich in antioxidants. And finally, drink alcohol sparingly, if at all, and cut back on the caffeine too. Know your cycle. Make sure you know your cycle in detail. Use an ovulation calculator to track the luteinizing hormone, LH, the hormone responsible for ensuring your ovaries release a mature egg each month. This information will enable you to calculate the best time to have sexual intercourse. Planning. Make time with your partner to have sexual intercourse the night before and the morning of ovulation day, as well as that evening and the following morning. This gives you the best possible chance of conception. Prepare your partner. Ensure your partner has abstained from ejaculating for 3 to 4 days prior to ovulation. Also, get him to take a look at our other videos on male fertility for advice on lifestyle and diet designed to improve male fertility. Nutrients. There are some very specific nutrients that contribute enormously to your body's reproductive system. Try to increase these in preparation for conception. Copper, folic acid, iron, omega-3, vitamin C, D, E, and zinc.